What is there, Koto? Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Horoketato!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're out in toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie, on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Maya! Tama! Jojo! Anita! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're out in toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Tēnā koutou, welcome to our whare. Ko tama aho, say hello to my whānau.
I'm Jojo. It's great to see ya. Ko Maya aho. Happy to meet your acquaintance.
I'm Orma, and this is my friend Wolfie. Oh, fun fact,
Huh?
Wolfie is one of the best cuddlers in the whole wide world.
Also, a fun fact, Oma is also a good cuddler of the whole wide world too.
Why don't we both be the goodest and the best?
Oh, hey, today is all about my favourite thing in the world. Can you guess?
Trucks dancing.
Slugs.
So close. Kai!
Yummy, scrummy food. Can you guess what food I'm eating?
Oh, is it noodles?
Very close. I know, you're eating spaghetti. Kei te tika tau, Maya. I love spaghetti.
Hey, Mohio,
Tēnā koutou, how can I help you today?
where does all our food come from?
Food comes from all over the place. It grows from the whenua, the land, from the sea, from factories or farms, and we buy it from the shop or market.
Oh. Well, I wonder what Kai will find today.
Yeah.
Kia ora! It's me, Tama. Look, I'm setting up a market. Oh, look, I have all of these beautiful fruits and vegetables to sell. But I need to set this up first. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Ooh.
Oh, hey, Tama.
Hi.
Hey, Tama. Wow, look at all those fruit and veggies. We bought you the sign.
My very own sign?
Here it is. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Tama's Kai Market? Wow.
Now all you need is some customers.
Oh, where do I find those? Hey, come back. Oh.
The sun is shining bright today. The sun, sometimes it hides away. The sun is shining bright today. Sunshine makes me feel so great. The sun is way up in the sky. The sun, it makes the plants grow high. The sun is way up in the sky. Sunshine makes me feel alright. Sunshine, sunshine, let's play in the sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, let's all go outside. The sun turns night into the day. The sun chases clouds away. The sun turns night into the day. Don't forget sunblock and shade. Sunshine, sunshine, let's play in the sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, let's all go outside. The sun is going back to bed. The sun will soon be back again. The sun is going back to bed. See you soon, my shining friend.
Kia ora.
Hello there. May I please have 4 apples?
4 apples?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm making an apple pie, you see?
Fabulous. Tahi, rua, toru, wha.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Wow. $5. Cool.
Oh, what lovely looking fruit and vegetables.
Thank you. What can I get for you?
Can I please have 2 bananas, 1 pawpaw, 1 chili and 2 carrots?
2 bananas, 1 pawpaw, 1 chili?
Yes.
1 chili. And what were the other ones, sorry?
Oh, and 2 carrots.
2 carrots. Tahi, rua.
Yes.
Ane, here you go.
Thank you.
That will be tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. $5.
Oh, fantastic. Well, I'll give you $10. $5 for the beautiful fruit and vegetables, and $5 for your lovely service. Goodbye.
Kia pai tō rā.
Goodbye.
This is amazing.
Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got fruit for lunch today? I do. Who's got fruit for lunch today? I do. I've got apple slices. I've got a juicy pear. I've got a box of raisins. I've got an orange here. Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got vegetables today? I do. Who's got vegetables today? I do. I've got carrot sticks today. I've got a broccoli tree. I've
got a red tomato? Will you please share with me? Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got sandwiches today? I do. Who's got sandwiches today? I do. I've got peanut butter. I've got cheese and ham. I think I've got Marmite. I've got strawberry jam. Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. How you doing? It's me, Buzz the Cuz. Guess what I'm up to today? I'm gonna make the famous Buzz the Cuz smoothie. Do you like smoothies? Say it with me. Smoothie. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing I start with is a banana. Hello. Classic. Okay. Second thing I do is I put in a kiwi fruit. This is a magic kiwi fruit, whānau. Check this out. Oh. Okay, cool. And then the third thing we're gonna put in it is raspberries. Check this out. Also, the last ingredient of it all is milk. All right, let's cut up all of our fruit, eh? Perfect. Okay, now it's time to put all of our ingredients into the smoothie maker. Let's do it. All right, bananas first, then kiwi fruit, then some raspberries. All right, and now our milk. We're ready to rumble, cuzzies. Let's do it. Check out that colour, whānau. It's gonna taste so yummy. I can't wait. Tasty. Ka kite, whānau. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Oh, it's the Cuz. You're a buzz. What's up?
Well, I'm here so you know what time it is. It's taco time!
Well, what did you bring today to play with?
Oh, I'll give you a clue. Okay, it's really, really delicious and it rhymes with Splurgler.
Delicious and rhymes with blurger. Burger.
Yes! Ta-da! Okay, well, let's make it together, eh? I'm gonna need your help though, okay? All right, sweet. So, think about a burger, Tama. Think about a yummy burger. Okay. All right? What goes on the bottom of the burger?
A bun.
That's right, that's right. Okay, so we're gonna need some bottom buns. Okay, those can go there. Now, what else would you need on a burger?
Lettuce.
Yes, lettuce. And I got some lettuce here. Let us see. Those can go next. Okay, cool. What else do we need on there? Something red.
Tomato.
Tomato it is, yeah. Okay, some yummy tomato. There we go. Ooh. We're forgetting two things. What goes good with burgers?
Fries.
Fries. Okay, I think I got some fries in here. Oh. those down there. Okay, cool. And what's the other thing that we're missing as well, Tama?
Drinks.
Yes, drinks. Here's a drink for you. Yum, let's get into it.
Wait. Do you know the best thing about playing with a pretend burger instead of a real one?
What?
Don't have to clean up the mess.
Oh, cheers.
Kia ora e kare mā, I'm Auntie Anika. Now, today I am going to teach you how to eat nicely because it's important to have good manners at the dinner table. Okay, let's begin. Some food is made to be eaten with your hands, like cheese. Tea. Now, some food is not. See? That's why we have these. Ta-da! This is a fork and this is a knife. See? Now, if you accidentally do a burp, you just say, pardon me, aroha mai. Yum. Right, I'm going to get stuck in.
Oh, kei te pai koe, Oma?
Ke te mawiwi aho. I think I ate a little bit too much pawpaw. And now I've got a sore puku.
A sore tummy. Ka aroha kia koe, Oma. Sometimes when I have a sore tummy, I give my tummy a little pat. Would you like to give your tummy a little pat?
Yeah. Oh, that feels a little bit better. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, Wolfie.
Oh, no worries, Oma. These things happen. Do you feel much better?
Yeah, I feel much better, Wolfie. And do you know what?
What?
You're it.
Yay, Oma's feeling better. Hey, Oma, wait for me.
Now let's do it nice and loud. Okay, now nice and quietly.
Ooh, Buzz is going to love these burgers. Patties. 2 pieces of lettuce coming in hot. And 2 slices of tomato. Here we go. And 2 slices of cheese. Hey, Mohio.
Tēnā koe, how can I help today?
Buzz doesn't like cheese on his hamburger, but I really love cheese on mine. Why is that?
Everyone has different tastes, Tama.
Eh?
That's why it's important to try new foods. You'll never know if you like something unless you give it a try.
Okay. That makes sense. Thanks, Morshaw.
Horace, it's dinner time.
Oh, what, we having veggies again?
Yes, and this song will convince you to eat them for once, okay?
Well, we'll see about that.
This is a song for the loves of your life who won't eat their greens cause you trouble and strife. They throw food in your face so they make such a mess. I've had trouble with my kids, oh yes, I confess. Well, I have some inspired tips for all you loving parents out there. Some surefire ways to get them eating all the healthy kind. Peas, peas, peas. Peas, give me some lovely peas. Shoot them from a barrel straight into the moon. I can guarantee that they'll be scoffing them soon.
Scoffing them peas. I love them peas. Yes, I do.
Oh, peas, peas, peas.
Peas, peas, peas.
Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. I'm sure it comes as no shockily. They're made from gorillas' bums mountain high. They poo them out, then they throw them in the sky.
Yes, I do.
Oh, broccoli, broccoli, broccoli.
Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli.
Beans, beans, beans. Those skinny and slender things. We use them as rope when we're climbing rocks to keep away monsters. Shove beans in your socks.
I love beans, and you should too.
Now, all you frustrated parents can rest easy now and know Heather Fiddly Widdly Bum has ensured their proper eating habits. If you think it's a waste of time, play this song to them at dinner time. They'll soon discover how ridiculously my stories are about the veggies. They'll be lost in thought with their mouths open wide. So shovel the food and make sure it's
We're going to the park for a picnic.
Just give you this. Do you want to put it in the middle? Right. Got some popcorn.
We got fruit salad, biscuits, chips, popcorn, and we've got cake and healthy sandwiches.
One for you. One for you.
Okay. My favorite picnic food is probably the popcorn.
My favorite thing is the quail.
Would anyone want to have some cake?
Nothing.
Amelia,
Yes, please.
which one do you want?
That one. Yum.
The birds look like they want to eat our food. Ryan's gonna scare them away.
job.
Bye, kids.
It's that time again, whānau. It's story time, and we love stories. Home again. Nico and Jade race towards their yellow front door, calling, Ziggy! Everything is like it was. Their beds are just the same. Their toys are still there. Ziggy! They call. While they've been on holiday, their neighbour has looked after Ziggy the kitten, who thinks he is a dog. And now they want him back. First, they go down the path to the neighbour's house. Before they get there, the neighbour opens his door, and in his arms is Ziggy. Their neighbour passes Ziggy to Jade. They thank him a lot. Jade plonks Ziggy on her bed. He stretches out like a scarf. At bath time, Ziggy drinks from the bath. At dinner time, Nico screams, "Pee!" and Ziggy slips out the cat door. Later, Jade calls, "Zig, Zig, Ziggy!" and Jade rattles his food box. Where could Ziggy be? Jade runs around the garden, down the path, looks in the trees. As she passes the neighbours, she sees Ziggy sitting by the window inside. Jade runs home. They need to get Ziggy back. Together, they knock on the door. The neighbour comes to the door with Ziggy. Jade is not pleased. "You live here," she tells Ziggy, closing her bedroom door. That night, Jade makes Ziggy sleep with her, and in the morning, Jade wakes. Ziggy is not in her bed. Jade rushes to the door. It's open. Oh, Jade peers over at the neighbour's house. There is Ziggy sitting by his front door. Jade has an idea and rattles Ziggy's biscuits. Ziggy comes home. "I'm not going away ever again," Jade tells Ziggy, giving him extra kai and huge cuddles. "I'm staying right here with you."
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō,